I said this in the last video, and I'll say it yet again. All that's left of the Bugatti Veyron is memories of being embarrassed by a Nissan GTR and oil-stained cardboard. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back. Well, we got a big video today. So yesterday, boys, I was off at the paint shop with the Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. The glow of this color is unlike any other glow we have ever had glow on the channel. That worked. That actually worked. The glow of this car is unlike any other glow we've ever let glow on the channel. If you guys did not see the last video, the Bugatti Veyron had somewhat of an oil implosion. Not really, but the car's down in San Diego getting a major servicing done. It has a massive oil leak. It could be back in 2 weeks, might be back in 2 months, or in 2 years. It's crazy. All of a sudden, we're down to the bug killer and the trusty Aventador. It seems like no matter the scenario, no matter what cars come and go, the Aventador always seems to be old reliable, except the 4 times she overheated, stranded us, and broke down. The blue looks amazing, but I realized I just forgot something. Don't ask why I have a torque wrench and a car battery on my kitchen counter. Oscar, I love you. I love you so much. I'm sorry, but your puppy said it's gonna be here in 3 minutes. Yeah, good boy. She idles so loud. I'm sorry. It happened so. Let the V12 sing, hit it. So tomorrow, boys, we are flying off to a distant land, well, not a foreign land, domestic. It's domestic, it's the state of Ohio. We bought a new car and we're flying off to Ohio tomorrow. This is not the V12 Lamborghini. That car is still stuck in Canada in customs. I think the white looks incredible, but then again, the black is also pretty amazing. What do you guys think? Do you like the black better, or do you guys like the white better? Good news, none of the tires have fallen off, at least not yet. Of course, I'm gonna be biased, but I think the satin blue with the white wheels looks amazing. I think that looks crazy cool. Of course, yes, the orange interior does clash a little bit, but with the windows rolled up, all the carbon fiber just glistening, I dig it. I think it looks sick. So Dave, who's painting the wide body Aventador Roadster, he just sent me some photos of the car. It is truly insanity. We're gonna head down there shortly to check it out, but I am excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by ShipStation. I've met a lot of you guys out and about, maybe at car shows or on car rallies, and a lot of you guys are side hustlers. You're entrepreneurs with growing businesses, and maybe you ship out a couple packages a week, or maybe a couple thousand packages a week. Either or, anywhere in between, ShipStation is here to make your business and your shipping more efficient, which is gonna save you money, it's gonna save you time, and it's gonna let you focus on what's important, which is growing your business and not stressing out about shipping packages. ShipStation makes it so easy to manage and ship all your orders from all your various sales channels. Maybe you have like an Amazon or an Etsy or your own website. You can actually import all your orders from all your various sales channels into one simple interface. It's gonna make your life so much easier and so much less chaotic. You can pretty much automate any shipping task you want with ShipStation. And check this out, with ShipStation, you gain access to discounted shipping rates with all the major carriers. We're talking FedEx, USPS, and UPS. These shipping rates are usually reserved for Fortune 500 companies. With ShipStation, you get the same rates, but you don't have to deal with the contract or the commitments. And it really is just that easy. Ship more in less time using ShipStation. Using my offer code STRADMAN, you guys can get a 60-day free trial. That's 2 months free, no hassle, stress-free shipping. Go to ShipStation.com, click on the microphone at the top, type in STRADMAN, and bada boom, bada bing, make ship happen. Guys, check out the link below, ShipStation.com. We're gonna go check out the wide body Aventador, but then after that, Gladiator 6x6, like everything is all happening at the same time. We have a big update, maybe the biggest update ever on the Gladiator. And we've arrived here to the 8080 World Headquarters. Sun's out, buns out. You know how some people say that they look like their dogs? In Stefan's case, he looks like his car. Look at your outfit, it matches perfection.
Look at you, look, you're matching, bro. Look at this.
No.
Logo.
That's like,
the logo and the...
That's the babyest match. Nice try, next time, son. I told you guys earlier that tomorrow I'm flying to Ohio. Guess who's also flying to Ohio? This guy. I'm buying a car in Ohio. This guy's buying a car in Tennessee, and we're driving them back kind of, sort of together. Not really, but kind of. And go! Burlacker, where are you at? That's what you need. That is so sick. This guy, Stefan, I'm flying halfway across the country. I don't even know what you bought. What did you buy?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Give us an exclusive.
Okay.
We need an exclusive.
I'll tell you the horsepower.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Rear wheel drive, A little over 700
Wait,
horsepower.
What?
Yeah.
That's faster than
Isn't
my
that
car.
crazy?
That has 200 horsepower than the car that I really.
Sorry.
This guy. All right, I'll give you a link. There's a link to Stefan's channel. So like I mentioned, we're flying to Ohio and then we're driving to Memphis to get his car. I got to admit, like those white wheels look mighty, mighty fine. Stefan approves. Everyone approves.
You're tooting your own horn. That's
Oh,
what?
what? No, I thought you were tooting my horn. No, I'm not
you're
tooting.
tooting your
I'm not
horn.
tooting. You're tooting.
All aboard.
Okay, wow. I just said I'm not tooting your. Anyways, off camera, I just made a Pillsbury Doughboy sound. Like I went hoo 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 because it looks so amazing. That was incredibly cringy. But check this out. Oh my goodness. This color, it's glow. Look at this. The man, the myth, the legend, Dave, crushing life. That's so sick. So yes, we did decide to paint over the carbon fiber. I think it was the right choice. Yo, piecing the car together in real time right here. Every single piece that is installed on the car, it just looks more and more and more amazing. Wow. The new FI full titanium exhaust is headed here sooner than you think though. When the Rosa Cantus hits the sun, oh yes. I don't even know what to say. Like I am completely speechless right now. Wow. And the car is still in like a million pieces. Every single panel we install, it's only gonna get better and better and better. I can't help but look at the screen right there. Oh, Stefan!
You're a madman, you know that, right?
It's so sick. I know I'm embarrassing myself right now. You guys can't even see the car. I know I'm embarrassing myself right now, but I am genuinely so excited. I realize I'm acting very annoying right now, but you gotta admit, that combination, look at that. Look at that.
Where's
Stefan.
that Jelly Belly sponsorship?
Dude, I'm working on Skittles.
Skittles.
Either or, any type of delectable candy. I'll take whatever I can get. Wow. Dave, thank you so much. So insane. Like to see this color under the sun next to the blue, it doesn't get any better than this. Dave just keeps bringing parts out to flex. Check that out with the white Pirelli pinstripe. This lighting right here shows the color so well. There's just so much detail and so much depth to this paint. This paint is completely raw as well. He still needs to wet sand it and polish it to make it look 10 of 10. But right now, it is just glowing unlike any other paint has ever glowed in the entire history of glowing paint on our channel. Do you guys remember about 6 months ago when I told you that I wanted to create a Skittle army, all the various colors of the rainbow? That is starting to happen, like that's coming to fruition. We got the pink, we got the blue, the Gallardo's orange. The new V12 Lamborghini is a slightly different color that should add quite nicely to the collection. Now I have gone over every single detail of this car, trying to figure out to make it perfect, and I forgot one key detail. The calipers on this car are red. Obviously that doesn't look very good. We could do pink calipers, we could do white calipers, we could also go bold. Any ideas?
I think for the sake of the coupe, you do blue.
Blue
looks so good on the
blue
beat.
calipers on pink?
That'd be sick.
You think so? Huh. Unexpected idea. Blue calipers could be cool though. Welcome to the back vault at Dave's paint booth. This guy Dave, Dave is the man. He doesn't have an Instagram, he doesn't have a Facebook, he has no social media, but he does like the best work in the biz. You can see the rear bumper right here looking oh so prime. The rear deck lid we saw earlier, the front bumper over there. We got all the fenders, we got so many components to this car, slowly piecing them together. The rear wing right there, all the little baby pieces as well. This car, like as we piece it together, is only gonna get cooler and cooler. So yes, I have a full FI titanium exhaust coming for this car very, very soon. I cannot wait. It's supposed to be here on April 26th. This car is gonna sound just as good as it looks soon. Right now, it doesn't sound like a vacuum, but it could sound good soon. Wait, what? That didn't make sense. You know what I meant. My goodness, that is so beautiful. I'm so glad we chose this color. Man, you hate to see her leave, but goodness gracious, do you love to watch her go. That white Pirelli pinstripe looks so money too. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So like I mentioned, the next steps, we gotta wet sand the entire thing, polish the entire thing, and obviously when I say we, I'm not doing any of that. I have no skill set whatsoever. Also, I'd like to point out Dave's shoes, which have a very, very nice pink tint to them. What size are you?
8.5.
8.5, okay. 8.5 shoes, I think, yeah, 8.5. Yeah.
I just want to know when you're getting this big Italian meatball off the back.
April 26th.
April 26th.
Italian meatball.
Yeah, it's a big Italian. Look at that thing.
I have a full custom one-off titanium exhaust to replace that
Swap
meatball.
out the meatball for spaghetti.
The SpongeBob 1 to 10. That's not SpongeBob. That's Doodle Bob.
And just like that, welcome here to beautiful Agility Customs. This is Stefan's diet in a nutshell. You showed
Get
him
out of
your
here!
diet. You got a vitamin water, kind of sort of healthy, not really.
I like vitamin
You got
water.
famous Amos, and of
Famous
course
Amos.
your SpongeBob.
Yeah, baby.
Yep, that's why we're friends.
Yeah.
I said this before, and I'm gonna say it again, the white wheels, money, money, money. Today is just my day, the Gladiator Helosaurus 6x6. Today's been amazing. The wide body Aventador looks incredible, and the Gladiator is getting so close. That's a Hellcat. That's a real Hellcat with center dump. Like that is straight and true center dump. Today's been so crazy, like genuine euphoria. All the projects are just coming together so well. This is the scariest thing ever.
Bro,
Watch my noggin.
Full trust.
Bro,
Hey,
no,
trust in
no,
me.
no.
Trust in me.
This is not good. Okay, give me a little push. A little push.
Ready?
Yep. Ow! I just said ow and I didn't even hit anything. This is the weirdest clip ever, but I just wanted to show you guys center dump. Center dump in real time. This is a full-fledged 6x6. Oh goodness, squeeze it in. One final question for the audience. Obviously, this is satin purple. It's vinyl. We just saw the pink painted Aventador. What if someday, one day, it's just an idea, what if we painted the Gladiator Viola Parsife? Whoa. Now today's video is pretty much over, but we actually have a garage sale that we're gonna go to. Oscar, no, in the truck, bud. In the truck. Who's my super floof? Are you tired? Yes, you are. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Come on. No? No paw? There it is. No way. There's no way. Check it out. That says free. That couch is, there's no way. That's a nice couch. It says free though. This is the craziest scenario. I was just driving around completely aimless and I came across a free couch. We got no furniture. This is a nice couch too. Like, this is legit leather. Oh my goodness, it says free.
You know how much that couch cost me?
How much?
Fleming's Steaks.
Really?
Yeah.
You went for Fleming steak and now you're getting KFC? That's an L. This doesn't even make sense. This is like highway robbery. We're stealing this couch. I mean, we didn't steal it, we're getting it for free, but this is comfy back here. This is not okay. I'm gonna hold on. I don't wanna die. The color of this Audi is absolutely gorgeous. That color is amazing. You guys know where we are, and finally we have a major update. Check it out. There is actually a Hitachi. I cannot believe that this is actually happening. This is like 2 years in the making. We finally actually have a tractor on the property, our very own Hitachi. This thing is a beast. I wasn't expecting this. They've actually laid out the footprint of the house. We have the stake right here. This is the corner of the house. We have the driveway right here, and then we have the corner of the massive mega garage. So tentatively right now, the back cave is like right underneath my feet.
Right
that
here?
is so, right here, bro. The car elevator is right there. It's crazy to put it into perspective. This is the back of the house right here. Like that's the back of the garage where Burlacker's walking. All of that is my property. That's the go-kart track.
New garage?
Another, yes, a 5th garage.
V12, baby.
My guy, yep, more V12s. Burlacker is standing in the underground hallway right now. I'm standing where the theater's gonna be. That's crazy. There's gonna be the secret hallway. Wait.
You don't watch movies.
Secret hallway. Am I allowed to say that? I don't know what to say. I don't want to give out all the secrets. And then it'll be the secret hallway to the back cave over there. That's gonna be sick.
You haven't even built it yet. You're giving out all your secrets.
I know. I'm not good at holding back secrets. If I was to list memorable moments in my life, buying the Lamborghini Gallardo perhaps, being fired by Burlacker, buying the Lamborghini Aventador, but I would reckon having my very first honey bucket might be at the top of the list. Now, I have been told, theoretically, tentatively, we are digging the foundation for the new house starting tomorrow, and I'm gonna be in Ohio. On that bombshell, today's video is effectively over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.